Today I will talk to you about what's half a topic, the launching strategies of first generation of iPhone. Topic really possible for basic introduction about the launching strategies. What I want to talk is the background information of the Apple and iPhone. The first about the Apple. As you know, Apple is a multinational corporation of America that creates consumer electronics, personal computer software, and computer servers. It was set up on 1st April 1976 by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Donald Weiss. Its headquarters lies on Silicon Valley, San Francisco, California State. Apple is the world's second largest information technology company by revenue after Samsung Electronics, and the world's third largest mobile phone market after Samsung and Nokia. The second about iPhone product is its most important products of Apple. From a failed company today, Apple has become famous brand and has admired by most people all over the world. iPhone is like a smartphone that creates the chance strongly in technology market as this time. It has contributed importantly to the great success of Apple. iPhone is convergence of internet and both app a smartphone. The strategies of launching iPhone 1 or recent iPhone is very detailed, complete researches, properly funded and well-balanced. This strategy brings to Apple many profits and reputation. That is my past background information of Apple and iPhone. Thank you for listening.